Welcome children. In this class we are going to discuss about NOR realization. That means implementation of all other gates by using NOR gate. We already discussed that NOR gate is one of the universal gate. That means by using NOR gate we can implement any other gate. So see the NOR realization of other gates here. We can implement NOT gate by using NOR gate like this. Like this, by clumping input lines. I am just clumping input lines as a single line. It will act like a NOT gate. Okay, if we are passing here a variable, so here a input, both inputs are a, so it will produce a plus a whole bar. According to NOR gate, it will produce a plus a whole bar. You know that a plus a is equals to a plus a is equals to a, so we can write here a plus a whole bar is equals to a bar, which is nothing but functionality of NOT gate. Okay, it's a functionality of NOT gate. So we can draw the NOT gate by using the implement NOT gate by using the NOR gate like this. Okay, next is the OR gate. OR gate, what is the OR gate? Like this, we are passing two input A and B, so it will produce a plus b. It's a functionality of OR gate. We have to implement this gate by using the NOR gate. So here, if first of all we take a NOR gate taking two input A and B, so according to NOR gate, what the result, what is the output? A plus b whole bar. It's a result of a plus b, b input using NOR gate. Output will be a plus b whole bar. So again we need a plus b. So again we using NOT gate. NOT gate means this NOT gate equivalent to the NOR gate. So here by clumping the input lines, so we draw the NOT gate here. When we pass the this input a plus b whole bar with NOR gate, which works as a NOT gate, so it will produce a plus b. Okay, a plus b. Next is the AND gate. We have to implement this gate by using the NOR gate. So first of all we pass it with NOR gate, a input, NOR gate which works as a NOT gate. If we are passing, so we get here a bar, clumping two input lines, and second NOR gate passing b variable, so we are getting here b bar. Okay, when we are clumping two input lines, so it's work as a NOT gate. After this we are passing with another NOR gate this input, and we are getting a dot b. we can prove it. A dot B, according to this, we can write is A plus De Morgan's law. A bar plus B bar whole bar. According to De Morgan's law, we can write it A complement complement dot B complement complement, which are equals to the A dot B. So it's a implementation of AND gate by using NOR gate. Okay.